two students to class today on this Thursday, the 8th. The week is almost over, so hang in there and work hard today. Guys, we will possibly have a test next week, possibly, okay? Depends on how much math we cover. So we'll kind of take that one day at a time and see what happens, okay? Let's see, nothing to turn in. There was no homework given to you yesterday. Incomplete. Let's take a look at what we got here. Well, first of all, if you are absent, okay, one day or many days, the first day you come back to class, if we're taking a test or a quiz, you will take it. And don't get upset at me if you forget. I'm telling you this every day, okay? The only exception is if you pre-contact me while you were out sick telling me why you cannot do that, okay? Alright, now, your incompletes. I think you guys need a little bit of a lecture here. I'm getting a little perturbed, okay? Now, first of all, let's talk about this. Kobe, I know you're going to finish your test today, and that's fine. Please take care of that. This was given, I'm not sure when, probably on Friday. Let me glance at my lesson plans real quick here and see exactly when this assignment was given to you guys. Give me just 5 seconds here. Yes, that was given on Wednesday of last week. But that's not what I'm upset about, okay? I'll get to that in a second. So Michael and Grace, I know you're out sick and I feel bad for you, and hang in there. But I'm just letting you know, Michael and Grace, you're missing this assignment. Grace, you have extra time. That's fine. Michael, you must turn by Friday. Quiz number 5. Grace, Asia, Grant, Michael. Now I really want this taken. Asia, I think you're taking yours today. You'll find those quizzes, Asia, in the green folder. Okay? That's where the quiz is. So Grant, Michael, I want those quizzes taken by Friday at the latest. Asia, I mean, if you need to wait until Friday, that's fine. If anybody can't take it by Friday, let me know, okay? I'm going to take a little bit of time today and talk about your incompletes. Now, here's where I'm perturbed. Probably what happened is you guys just got busy with your quiz and forgot, okay? But this assignment right here was given on Tuesday. And not only was it given on Tuesday, get this, I gave you the entire class period to work on it. The entire class period. And this many people did not turn it in yesterday. Now, once again, I know one of you, I hope I don't embarrass you, but Henry, I know you contacted me and told me you forgot. That's fine. Hopefully, all of these people forgot, and that's why it's not turned in, okay? I hope it's not because, I don't know, I'm used to it. I mean, you had the whole class period Tuesday, and you couldn't finish it Tuesday night. So again, if the shoe fits, wear it. I'm not saying that you guys are being lazy. Maybe all of you got so caught up in the quiz, you forgot to turn it in. I have no problem with that. That doesn't even slightly bother me. But if you didn't turn it in because you didn't do it, then guys, we really gotta pick up the slack on that, okay? All right, moving on. Let's see what else we got going on here. We're going to be working on homework today and test corrections, okay? So homework and test corrections. The homework that is due tomorrow is, here it is. Please copy that down. There's the homework that is due tomorrow. The name of the help video is, number 24. When you first open the video and watch the video, it's going to say to do 7 through 12, 16 through 20, and 21 through 32. Just ignore that, okay? You are to do 24. And it is on the video. When you watch the video, you'll see it is on there, okay? So do number 24. The help video is called Algebra 2, Lesson 3.4 Homework. About 45 minutes now. Let's talk about the length of it for a second. Yes, it's long, but you should get through most of it by far before the class period's over. You should probably have about 10 or 15 minutes left tonight to work on. So what about test corrections? Well, guys, look. Yes, the test correction video is 44 minutes long, but hold on. That's because I worked out every problem on the test. Most of you have 3, 4, 5, 6 problems to do, so that's not going to be a big deal, okay? And to be honest with you, the better you do on the test, the less work you're required to do, the worse you do, the more test corrections you have to do, guys. It's kind of like pay now or pay later. Either you pay the price before the test so. But these two assignments are due tomorrow, okay? This assignment here. And believe me, you'll get most of it done in class, if not all of it. And then your test corrections. Remember your test corrections, you do not turn your test in. You just work out the problems that you missed, okay? Each mistake on your test was 2.3 points off, so if you have any questions, be sure and check my work. If there's a mistake, let me know. And a couple of quick housekeeping items. I messed up on the last example of yesterday's video. Reagan and Abigail noticed that. And so if you were watching yesterday's video, the very last example I gave you, I forgot to bring down a negative sign with a 6. And so you can go and change your notes and just make the original problem have a positive 6, or however you want to do it. But I do apologize for that. If I would have been there in class, y'all could have pointed that out to me. But anyways, let's talk about that. Now, Grant, I need you to be level-headed here and not to be all worried and upset, okay? You were probably absent yesterday, but Miss Carroll thought you were present. She emailed me and told me you were there. Now, if you were there and you just decide to skip your quiz for the fun of it, obviously it's going to be some mega points off or something, okay? You can't do that, okay? If you were there in class and you just didn't take your quiz, obviously we can't have that, okay? And there's going to be a lot of points taken off your quiz, but if you were absent yesterday, you're okay, relax, you know that. I mean, all the students in the class are going to tell me you were absent, so let me know that you were absent. I will confirm it with the office and go from there. But if you were there yesterday on Wednesday and you did not take your quiz, I'm sorry, you can't just skip it because you feel like it, and there will be a lot of points taken off. If you weren't there, don't sweat it. I'm not mad, no big deal. Just email me and let me know you were absent. I'll confirm it with the office or with other